oh my God, this is not for me. Maybe I should just take out the money. So I'd pull it out and then I just go back to mutual funds. What do you do with the money? Do you put it in the bank? But you want to be diversified. You have stocks. You have so many opportunities. You give the candlestick, the support and resistance lines, and then you have indicators. If you're a more conservative trader, or trader like me, I think I'm more conservative. You want more indicators to confirm, let's say, your position, whether it's a buy or a sell or a hold. I'm basically a house. I've never worked, but I handle my husband's money.
Wow, malaki no?
Hi, subscribe to Marvin Garma's channel. Hit the bell and stay until the very end to see any updates or.
And who the subscriber of the day is.
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay, so enjoy the video with her. Sobrang yaman. Yeah.
Exact.
Do you have any questions?
No,
Wala naman?
not now. I have to review.
Talaga?
Information overload. I just want to confirm everything.
Okay.
But I learned so much. You're the best.
Wow, thank you. Talaga?
Yes, you
Oy,
should.
pero I'm not paying you to say that.
No,
Not paid,
he's
not
really the
paid.
best. He's funny. He's not boring. You will learn a lot. And you'll gain the confidence to make your trades. And he's so concerned about pushing everybody to earn money.
Wow, galing. Sige, ako na lang magtatanong. Wala akong question talaga. Wala.
Not later on.
Sige.
After.
What's your background?
I'm basically a house. I've never worked, but I handle my husband's money.
Wow, malaki no?
Okay lang, tama lang.
Yung mga humble. Okay, so you handle the money. What led you to investing?
Well, first, I think before with my mom got invested, I think back in 2008.
Okay.
So she made a lot of money from that. So I realized, okay, I'm invested in real estate. So I thought there has to be something better, like the money's just there. Where do I put it? So I'm done with real estate. So stocks would be a good thing. As you said, it's a money multiplier. So there.
Pero why just now? When
No, because I invested before in individual stocks, but I
Okay.
never had the confidence. And it's like you go into something and you're not sure, you don't know how to do it. Then I think that's dangerous. Knowledge is key. That's why I'm here attending your training seminar to really gain the knowledge.
Mabait mo naman sa akin.
No, it's true. Diba
Okay.
now parang I feel more confident.
So before when you were just investing on your own, did you buy any stock? Did you make a mistake or wala naman nangyari?
No, super nervous lang ako. So I'd go into it maybe slightly in the negative. Oh my God, this is not for me. Maybe I should just take out the money. So I'd pull it out and then just go back to mutual funds. So parang there's no basis now. How am I doing this? What am I looking at? Parang so I'm thinking there's a more efficient way of investing or investing money. So I used to do peso cost averaging. So it's like it might not be the perfect time to put your money in. I think your returns would be much better if you time the market correctly.
Oh wow. So we talked about technicals from support, resistance, candlesticks, moving averages, volume oscillators. What's your favorite topic lesson so far, and how do you think this will somehow change the way you do your trades?
Everything, because at the it's
Right talaga everything.
everything.
Everything. Okay.
Kasi parang I feel like you have so many indicators apart from the very, very start. Let's say you give the candlestick, the support and resistance lines, and then you have indicators. If you're a more conservative trader, or trader like me, I think I'm more conservative. You want more indicators to confirm, let's say, your position, whether it's a buy or a sell or a hold. So it's like, for me, I want more confirmation. So you go into it with more confidence.
Okay.
As you said, yes. The chances of losing money is lessened. Or if you're going to lose, or if you're going to have to cut, then you already have predetermined rules that you stick by.
What do you see yourself being as a trader? Conservative or aggressive?
Conservative.
Because
It's just how I am, because I'm in there for the long haul.
Okay.
I don't like having to let's say, look at the market often. So I think if you're a position trader, you'll be in it for the long term.
so more position trading,
Yes.
na conservative also.
Conservative na waiting for
Okay.
confirmations. More confirmations,
So,
the better.
why are you investing pa if you think I don't know, your husband is financially secure now with you?
Because, diba, they say, why?
Oh.
Uh,
Or because
why
that's why the
not?
rich get richer. Grabe,
No, why
grabe.
not?
Okay.
Diba, what do you do with the money? Do you
Mm.
put it in the bank? Diba, you want to be diversified. You have stocks. You have so many opportunities.
Was it so hard ba as a mom na parang there's misconceptions na why should I parang it's not in my day-to-day things that I should invest eh. What were there any misconceptions before na di na lang pwede mag-invest, wag na lang ako mag-invest kasi
No.
okay.
No, in fact, I told my son, why don't you come with me and watch and learn? You're 21.
21 anak mo. Wow.
Yeah, my
Kala
son's
mo 20
21.
plus ka pa
So
lang
like,
eh.
I've been saving.
Oh my. Oh,
Valero.
Valero. Bata.
But you really learn a lot from him. Anyway, so parang for me, parang learn early. As you said, there was a 7-year-old kid who started learning about this and
Okay.
started trading early.
Okay.
So that's a good thing.
Okay, last na lang. Any words of advice, any tips for moms who are kasi you have a different mindset eh. Not everyone thinks like you, and not everyone thinks that I need to save my money. Some of them, hindi, bahala na yung husband ko, meron naman pera pumapasok, and then may savings naman kami, has a stable job, has a stable business, we have property naman. Why are you pushing yourself to invest? And any words of encouragement for moms who think it might be too complicated, it might be too hard, or I'm okay already, I don't need to learn anymore eh. Go.
No, for me, you think about the reward, right? So you have more. If you're at home, I guess you're not doing as much. I don't do anything at home. So parang
Retired.
So your tendency is
Okay.
you want to find something to do, right? If
Okay.
your husband's busy working, then what can you do to contribute apart from, let's say, rearing your kids? So a good thing is, okay, if it's going to be good for us, if it can multiply our money, why not? Then maybe you can retire earlier. Your husband can retire early. Then that
Pero
means
you're retired, aren't you retired already?
no, but my husband isn't, right? He
Ah.
works overseas because he works overseas. So I
What
wanted to come
what
back.
country?
Oman.
Oh man, okay. Oh. So, okay, pero you visit him pa? He visits
No,
you?
I'm too lazy to
Okay.
go.
Okay. Okay, what's your message for moms and parents?
No, learn. I think learning, it's up to you. But for me, once you learn about this and you realize, hey, it's not that hard. You know, I have to practice, and then you'll gain confidence. And when you see you make yourself money, then probably you'll even be more motivated to learn some more. And it's so good because Marvin has laid it in such a way that it makes it really understandable, and he's so open to answering all our questions. So firstly, I guess, try out his seminar. Try it out and you won't regret it. Oh, na-promote pa kita.
Okay. Ito na lang. Do you have a target? Do you have a goal that parang I want to get this money in the stock market? It doesn't matter how long it is, pero that's parang at the back of your head na, when I get this, parang okay na ako sa stocks. I did a good job. Parang do you have
No
no
to be
target in
honest,
mind?
no, there's no target.
Okay. So whatever, pero do you want to double your money?
Of
triple
course,
your money?
triple,
Talaga?
quadruple, why not?
Okay.
Diba? Parang the opportunity is there.
Hmm.
Diba? I don't think a lot of Filipinos realize the gains that they can make if they go into the stock market.
Alright, so I guess that's it for now. I hope that you got inspired. Na-inspire ako na si Liezel, very much wanting to learn pa and wanting to invest and wanting to make her money grow. So if you are as motivated as her also and want to learn more, and ayun, just keep on learning, keep on pushing so that you get to, I guess, reach your dreams of financial freedom.
True.
Even though she's financially free already. Super.
And abundance, diba? When you're financially abundant, you get to be more of a blessing to other people. You get to help more people.
Yes. So that's it for now. We feature people who are also starting, not just experts or not just people who are super good in business and investing already, but people who are also, we're documenting the process of them getting there. And you will see it next video, no? 100 million portfolio. Yes.
How I wish.
Okay.
How I wish. Also, you have to help us.
Okay, so that's
answer
it
our
for
questions.
now. Marvin Germo from SMX. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.